Hello everyone, my name's Tyler, and today we're going to be talking about biomolecules, carbohydrates, in our cell and molecular biology section. Here's our lesson overview for this video. First, we're going to talk about the role of carbohydrates. Next, we're going to talk about examples of carbohydrates. And lastly, we're going to talk about glycosidic bonding. First, let's talk about the role of carbohydrates. There are four classes of biomolecules: carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. And in this video, we're going to be talking about carbohydrates. Why are carbohydrates so important? Carbohydrates function in energy storage, and they can function as structural components in things like plants. But primarily in humans, carbohydrates are our energy source for maintenance of our daily activities. Energy in sugar molecules is derived from the sun. The sun releases energy